Hey guys and girls, in this video I'm going to show you 7 different wig securing products. Among those products are wig clips, the wig gripper, different adhesive tapes, a roll-on adhesive, and much more. All of the products are affordable and easy to use. Well, let's get started. Let's start with wig clips. Here is a typical wig clip. You would sew these into your wig or hairpiece for added security. The snap clips have a rubber backing to protect the hair and hold firmly in place. Now these come in a set of 4, which are 1.5 inches. They're sew-in for wigs and hairpieces with a snap closure feature. You can hear it snap. These are available in a set of 4 from pinkypromise.com for $3.29. I'll leave the link where to purchase in the video description box below. I want to show you the double shot bob wig by Bellatress. Now, as you can see, wig clips have been sewn in to the polyurethane areas. I'm going to try on the double shot bob wig so that you can see how well the wig clips secure the wig to my head. Now I'm just anchoring the clips to my biological hair. The wig clips are anchored in place. There's no worry about the wig slipping. Some people worry that wig clips will irritate the delicate skin at the forehead, the crown, and possibly damage the delicate hair at the temples. Now, if that's a concern for you, let's take a look at the wig gripper. The wig gripper headband is made of velvet with an easy-to-use Velcro closure. Now, when this is worn in the correct direction, with the sewn hem toward the top of the head and the folded end toward the eyebrows, it creates a friction that keeps the wig from slipping. The gripper also prevents tension headaches, as it's a soft barrier between your delicate forehead and the wig. The average wig gripper is 22 inches in circumference unstretched, and it stretches to approximately 28 inches, so it works perfectly with any sized head. For longest life, we recommend that you wash your wig gripper with your wig in just standard wig shampoo and then hang it to dry. The wig gripper costs $10.99 and it's available at pinkypromise.com in both blonde, which is this color, and a darker brown or brunette. I'll leave the link where to buy this in the video description box below. Well, let's try on the double shot bob wig to see how well the wig gripper works. And as you can see, I am yanking the wig and it is not budging. In fact, the wig gripper works so well, I'm having to really pick the wig up to adjust it as it will not slide. You can't get any more secure than this. So the next products I want to show you are made by HairUWear, and it's the Contour Tape and the Duo Stick Tape. Using contour wig tape to attach your wig or hairpiece is an easy, mess-free way to get a secure bond. This contour tape is pre-cut and double-sided. Now it can be cut further if needed, but this is what a single piece looks like. It has a low shine with a clear matte finish, and it comes in a package of 36 and they're 3 inches. Now this is available at pinkypromise.com for $5.29. I'll put the link in the video description box so that you can buy it if you're interested. The Duo Stick Tape by HairUWear is very similar to the contour tape I just showed you, but it is stick straight. It provides a secure bond as well. It has a low shine with a clear matte finish, and this is great to use on wigs that you really want to stay put. If you have a wig that is maybe a petite size or otherwise too small for your head and it continues to pull back or slide away from the hairline, this is what you will want to use. It comes in a package of 36 tapes, 3 inches, and this is available at pinkypromise.com for $5.29. The link will be in the video description box below in case you're interested. Well, let's get started trying these 2 great products. Your first step is to take some rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball, and you'll want to just go over your hairline. Now, I've already secured my stocking wig cap to my head because that's what I like to do, but you don't even have to wear one if you prefer not to. So you'll just want to clean the skin with the rubbing alcohol. After the rubbing alcohol, you'll take this and peel one side of the backing off and go ahead and lay it down along your hairline, and then you'll just peel off the backing. See? Okay, I'm going to apply more. Now what you'll want to do is apply this all along your hairline. And because this has a matte finish, there'll be no shine. No one will be able to see the tape through the lace front. All right, let's put the wig on. So here I have the John Renau Kim wig. My own personal wig. So we're going to get the hair back, get it all ready. Okay, here we go. Now you'll want to center it with the ear tabs. Make sure that you pull the hair out. You'll want to make sure that you line up your lace front with your hairline and that it gets over the tape. Press with your fingers gently just to make sure that it's in place. There you go. Not only is it a beautiful, natural looking hairline, but it's secure. It is not coming off. As you can see, the tape is invisible. The hairline looks very natural. So it's Saturday night and my husband and I stayed up quite late, so I'm getting ready for bed, and I wanted to show you how the John Renau Lace Let Go works. First, take the cap off, and you want to spray 1 or 2 pumps on a cotton swab. And then you take the cotton swab and you just, under the lace, where you have the adhesive strips, if you find that the adhesive strip is not removing easily with the cotton swab or the cotton ball, you can then apply 1 to 2 pumps of this directly on the area and let it set for about 35-45 seconds and then gently work the lace up. See, it's starting to come up. Now, a cotton swab is actually recommended because the cotton ball might start to come apart and actually leave little cotton fuzz balls along your lace front. Aha! It works. On the lace front, I will just, peel off the adhesive strips, clean it up, and she'll be ready to go tomorrow. This morning I am going to use this Walker lace front blue tape. If you want an adhesive for the lace front, I recommend the Walker brand lace front hair system tape because it gives ideal lace front support. It's also known as a blue liner. This is one of the most popular products with lace units due to its dull finish and long-lasting hold. It comes in pre-cut shapes and super wide shapes. It holds for 2 weeks. Now, according to reviews on this product, you will have no lifted edges and a very smooth, natural looking hairline. So let's put it to the test. This product does not have double-sided tape. It is sticky right off the roll on one side. So you just apply it where you want it along the hairline. Press where you want it a few seconds to make sure you have a good bond, and then pull the top strip off. Well, I got a little roll here. I'm going to have to smooth that out, but let's pull off this other strip. Now you can apply this all the way around the perimeter of your natural hairline if you want to. Put the wig on. Make sure it's, wow, it really sticks. I mean, so you've got to be careful. Ooh, got to have it lined up. All right, let's take a look here. Make sure the lace front is laying down like it's supposed to. You'll want to press for a few seconds. Wow, it looks beautiful and it is a fantastic hold. Well, I'm going to wear this throughout the whole day, and then later tonight I'll be back and we'll remove it. It's nighttime and I'm getting ready for bed. I'm very impressed with this tape. It has kept the lace down the entire day. It has not lifted at all. I'm very, very pleased. Now, my lace let go. I'm having a product malfunction, kind of like a wardrobe malfunction. The spray part of the bottle, it's just leaking and it's having a problem. So I'm actually going to take my cotton swab and just dip it in here, just so that I don't make a huge mess. And I'm going to apply this so I can loosen the lace. And it works wonderfully. I mean, it works immediately at loosening the adhesive without harming the lace. So I'm just going to rub it along here. And oopsie. There we go. It's working. Oh. Woo, here we go. All right, it worked. This product is available from 3 yards to 36 yard rolls and in widths from 1/4 inch to 1 inch. I'll leave the link to where you can buy this product in the video description box below. Next, we're going to take a look at Sensi-Tak tape. This is also known as red tape for advanced hair loss hair systems. It's popular for use on polyurethane strips inside the wig cap because of its easy cleanup. It does have some shine, so it is not recommended for lace fronts or monofilament or lace parts. The tape liner is red, but the actual tape is clear. Using the Bellatress double shot bob wig, you can see a polyurethane section that many wig caps do have. If we had not already sewn wig clips onto the polyurethane area, this is where you would apply the Sensi-Tak or red tape. Sensi-Tak is a very low residue tape meant for extended wear. Once it's applied to the polyurethane sections of your hairpiece, you can wear the hairpiece without taking it off for up to 2 weeks. Now this tape is very popular because a lot of people reapply their units in under 2 weeks, and it's very easy to use. It's rather simple to remove using any hairpiece adhesive remover, such as the Renau Lace Let Go Spray. Sigvaris It Stays is a gently roll-on body adhesive that washes off easily with water. It's a perfect lace front adhesive because it's invisible. It's pliable. Once it's on, if you frown, for example, it will move with your skin and keep the lace front in place. It's simple to use. Take the cap off, roll it onto your skin. It's hypoallergenic, which is wonderful for sensitive skin like mine. There's a slight odor to it, but nothing unpleasant. Next, put on your wig. Now you'll want to adjust the lace front to your hairline. Make sure that it's laying down properly. Be sure to align your ear tabs and make sure you have the wig centered on your head. Use your fingertips to press the lace down for a few seconds. And voila! Your lace is laid down and adhered for extra security. Nighttime, it's almost 8 o'clock at night, so I want to take my wig off. So I'm going to take a wash rag, wet it in cold water, and we'll put it to the test as far as taking it off. So I've got a soaking wash rag here. Okay, so supposedly we just can, rub it with the damp. Well, this is more than damp. I mean, it's got some wetness to it. But let's see if we can get this off. Whoop, it's coming. And voila, it came off. Wow, I am really kind of shocked because it was on there so hard that, just so secure. I'm really, really shocked that it came off with cold water. Here's the lace front of the Kim wig that I wear, and you can't see any adhesive on it. Now it does, I will say it does feel sticky right in here. So what I'll do is I'll just take the wash rag and wipe it off. But wow, this product does work. I hope you found this video featuring 7 wig securing products helpful. If I had to choose a favorite, I would choose Sigvaris It Stays roll-on adhesive. It's so simple to use, and it comes off easily with water. If you have questions about any of the products featured in this video, please leave them in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to answer. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. Bye-bye.